Well, of course, first of all, before we proceed sa mga technical skills, let me explain muna, brief lang naman, itong court natin.
Okay.
So, itong court ng pickleball, actually, we're using the same size as badminton court. As you can see, marami tayong lines. Okay, actually, this is a multiple purpose court, kaya maraming lines. We have basketball here, badminton, and pickleball courts. But the standard pickleball court, it requires itong line lang na to. Itong nakikita nyo, orange lines.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so you can disregard itong mga black and blue lines. Yeah. So, let's start here. Itong line na to sa harap na malapit sa net, we call this as kitchen line. Then, itong
Kitchen line.
kitchen line,
Okay,
yes.
kitchen
So, from
line.
kitchen line up to the net, this rectangular box, we call this as kitchen box. Okay? So, very important na you learn yung different spot ng court kasi nag-iiba rin yung palo natin dyan.
Okay.
So, yung mga palo sa here from kitchen line, sometimes hindi nag-work sa likod. Yung mga palo sa likod, sometimes hindi rin nag-work dito.
Okay.
So, yung iba-iba yung mga palo natin. Depends kung nasaan ka sa court. Okay? So, to kitchen line, kitchen box, then yung line sa dulo, we call that as baseline naman.
Baseline.
Baseline.
Okay,
Yes.
baseline.
Okay. So, kung mapapansin mo, no, ang baba ng net natin.
Mm-mm.
At the same time, we're using plastic balls. And yung paddle, hindi naman siya sobrang heavy. So, madaling paluin yung bola. Madaling patawirin yung bola on the other side.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to understand then, pickleball is not about how hard you hit the ball. It's more of control, more of patience, positioning, yung mga ganun strategy. So, hindi siya always palakasan ng palo. So, I think that's the huge difference between tennis and pickleball. Mas intense ang tennis kumpara sa pickleball. Kasi sa tennis, puro malalakas ang palo, karaniwan. But here, very important yung control.
Okay.
Sa paddle natin, so this kind of paddles, yung material nito mostly carbon fibers. Then we're using plastic balls. Okay? Actually, onting bounce lang, onting push lang, enough na yan para mag-cause ng bounce sa plastic balls.